Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change X or Twitter username and also change X or Twitter name's name and display name. So first, all you have to do is to launch your Twitter application or X application and click your picture at the top left corner. Tap profile and you will see there is this edit profile button here. So first, what we're going to do is to change your display name here on your Twitter or X account. So as you can see, you can change your name by tapping this and the book right here. So if you want to change your name or display name, you can simply change this one by entering the name that you want to wish to change. Okay, so you can change that anytime. Now tap save, and then if you want to change it again, tap this edit profile, go to name, and then change it. Now for your username, it's also the same thing. You just have to stay here in your Twitter or your X account. So what you're going to do is to tap your profile at the top left corner. And this time you have to scroll down and locate this settings and support. Now click settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, click this your account, which is the first option you see here. And then click this account information. Now here, if you want to change your username, you just have to simply tap this username and enter the new username that you want to enter here. Okay, so actually if this one is available, then you can see this check icon. But if this username is unavailable, then they will notify you. So click save and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.